Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Back up your photos to iCloud or a computer before deleting anything. Open Settings and tap your name at the top to access Apple ID controls. Check iCloud Photos storage usage in Settings under your Apple ID to see space saved. If you prefer a local copy, connect the iPhone to a computer and transfer photos manually using Finder or Photos. Sign in to your Apple ID and confirm backup completion before proceeding. This ensures you can recover images later if needed. Optimize iPhone storage by enabling Optimize iPhone storage in Photos settings. Go to Settings, Photos, and toggle Optimize iPhone storage to save space using smaller local files. Open the Photos app and review moments, years, and albums to select unwanted photos for deletion. Delete unwanted photos in the Photos app and then remove them from Recently Deleted to start reclaiming space. Open Recently Deleted, confirm the selection, and permanently delete items. Empty Recently Deleted to reclaim local storage immediately after confirming backups. Disable iCloud Photos to stop syncing new photos across devices if desired. In Settings, tap your name, select iCloud, then Photos, and toggle off iCloud Photos to prevent future uploads. Offload the Photos app in Settings to remove the app, but keep data in iCloud if you plan to reinstall later. Use Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and tap Manage Storage to review large backups and attachments. Monitor storage in Settings, and use Manage Storage to delete large backups and attachments to free additional space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.